Are you ready to free up your time by using HR automation? In this quick 3-minute guide, I'm going to show you how to use HR automation effectively so that you can spend less time on manual tasks and focus on growing your business. HR automation is all about streamlining tasks like payroll, recruitment, employee management, and compliance. By automating these time-consuming processes, you can free up hours every week. The first thing to do is identify which tasks take up the most time. For many businesses, payroll and attendance tracking are major culprits. These tasks can be automated with software that integrates seamlessly with your current systems. No more manual data entry or worrying about errors. Next, consider automating your recruitment process. This software can help you post job listings, screen applicants, and even schedule interviews. This eliminates the need for hours spent on manually sorting through resumes or emailing back and forth with candidates. The right software will even use AI to assess resumes and rank applicants based on your requirements, ensuring you find the best fit without the hassle. Another great way to use HR automation is through employee performance tracking. Rather than manually collecting data on employee performance, use software that tracks and generates reports automatically. This will give you the insights you need to make data-driven decisions without spending endless hours compiling information. Plus, it can help you identify trends and areas of improvement across your team. When you start using HR automation, your time can shift from handling repetitive tasks to focusing on higher-level strategies that impact the business. The software we'll be using today is designed to be user-friendly and integrates easily into your business processes, so you don't have to worry about a steep learning curve. If you're wondering where to start, the best part is that you can follow along with an exclusive free trial of the software we're using today. This free trial is only available for viewers of this channel, so make sure to check the description below to grab it and get started on freeing up your time with HR automation. To wrap up, here's your key takeaway. HR automation can save you countless hours each week by handling repetitive tasks like payroll, recruitment, and employee performance tracking. By automating these processes, you can focus on growing your business and making more strategic decisions. Remember, you can get started today with the exclusive free trial, so be sure to grab it in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and guides on how to optimize your business operations.